my channel. On today's video, I will be doing a review from a website called Fashionette. So guys, Fashionette is where you can get your designer stuff, from handbags, from shoes, from accessory, whatever you want, you can get it there on their website. All you have to do is to log into www.fashionette.com. The amazing thing about Fashionette, you can also have the chance to pay in installments. So I got all this stuff from Fashionette. They are on sales right now, so you will have the chance to get whatever you want on discount. So I said to myself, why don't I share it with my family here on YouTube? So you guys, before we move right to the video, if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Sarah Otaj and I upload video once in a week. So if you love to stick around, please don't forget to use the subscription button. Also make sure you put on your notification bell so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I will be doing the review of some of the stuff I got, I think last week. They just arrived yesterday. So let's unbox it together. This is how it looks like inside. Let's start with the little box. Let me try to open it. This is how the box looks like inside. And so we have the card from Fashionette. Let's open it. And these are my receipts. This is how the card looks like. So classy. The card is so classy, you guys. So beautiful. So let's open the stuff and see. So this is it. So this is the little bag I got from my Kekos for big girls. How cute is this bag, you guys? I love it so much. So let me try to open it. How do I open this right now? I just open it right now, guys. So this is inside. This is inside the bag. So this is inside the bag with the hand chain, so you can just use it as a cross bag. It's a little cross bag. You can just hold it like this. So beautiful, you guys. So this is the first one I got from Fashionette. So let me know what you think about this beautiful bag at the comment section. So let's move on to the next one. I have 3 bags here in the box. So let's open it and see. This is how the box looks like with this beautiful card, and you guys, with my name on it. Can you guys see my name? With my name on it, guys. Can you guys see my name? With my name written on the card. Look at it, so classy, you guys. This is everything you can get. This is everything you can buy from Fashionette. Let me start with this pretty little bag from Guest. This is it, guys. So let's open it and see, you guys. I love this color, guys. I love this color so much. So beautiful. This is what I found on the bag, inside the bag. Everything inside the bag. So beautiful, guys. And I love this color so much. I don't think I have any color of bag like this. So beautiful, guys. So let's move on to the next one. The next one here also. This bag right here is also from Guess. Cute little bag, you guys. This bag is everything, guys. This is how it looks like. And look at the back, you guys. Look at the back. And so this is it inside. This is how it looks like inside. So beautiful. I love this little bag right here. And this is the last one. Let's open it and see. It's also a bag from Guess. It's also a bag from Guess, yo guys. I love this color. My favorite. It's one of my favorite color, guys. It's also a cross shoulder bag. And let's open it and see. As usual, a lot of paper inside. So guys, this is how the inside looks like. You can just put all your card in here, and it has this beautiful chin, and this is how it looks like. And the back here, guys, so beautiful, guys. This is the end of the video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also introduce my channel to your friends if you like. Please, if you are new to the channel, help me to subscribe. Subscription is free. You don't pay money to subscribe. Just click the bell button so you can also get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So you guys, thank you all for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye.